ನಗುವೇನು ಸುಳುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಮುಂಜಾವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂತುರಿನ ಸೋನೆ ಮಳೆ. Hi everyone, welcome to Parnakutira. So we're having a very special set of curated events that are happening tomorrow, Saturday, here in Parnakutira, Ramanagara. And we're hoping to see you all here for a special day. See you.